To add header code to your Wix website and embed custom code tags. Follow these steps. First, log into your Wix account and navigate to the dashboard of the website where you want to add the code. Click on the Marketing and SEO tab on the left side menu. Then select SEO from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Advanced SEO section and click on the Custom Code tab. Here, you will see two sections: Head and Body. The Head section is where you can add code to the header of your website. Click on the Add Custom Code button in the Head section. A pop-up window will appear where you can enter your custom code. Enter the code you want to add, such as Google Analytics or Facebook Pixel code, and give it a name for reference. Make sure to select the correct location, which in this case is the Head section, and set the code to load on all pages or a specific page. Click Apply to add the code to your website. To verify that the code has been added correctly, view your website's source code by right-clicking on the page and selecting View Page Source. Search for the code you just added to ensure it appears in the header section. Best practices include keeping your custom code organized, testing your code to ensure it does not affect your website's functionality, and regularly reviewing your custom code to ensure it remains up to date and relevant. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily add custom code tags to the header of your Wix website and improve its functionality and performance. Remember to always test your code and review it regularly to ensure your website remains optimized and secure.